This video teaches you how to open a PowerPoint file without Microsoft PowerPoint in your desktop, using Google Slides. Open the Google Slides website in your web browser. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. Click the folder icon on the top right of Recent Presentations. This will open a new pop-up window and allow you to select a presentation file to open in Google Docs. Click the Upload tab. Click Select a file from your device. It will open a File Navigator window and allow you to select your PPT file. Alternatively, you can drag and drop your PPT file here. Select your PPT file. Click Open in the pop-up. This will upload your PPT and open it in Google Slides using PowerPoint Online. Open the PowerPoint Online website in your Internet browser. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account. Click the Upload a Presentation button. It will open your File Navigator window. Select your PPT presentation file. Click the Open button. This will upload your PPT file to your PowerPoint Online account and open the presentation in your browser. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.